Sir Handel had a bad day. The old coaches, Agnes, Ruth, Lucy, Jemima, and Beatrice, had been awkward. They had made him slip to a standstill twice. He was furious. Those old cattle trucks should be scrapped. Skarloey was shocked. I won't have it. Those old dears need kindness, not bad. Exactly. You just be thankful, Sir Handel, that we're not a mountain railway. What's a mountain railway? A railway that climbs mountains, of course. It's in the name. Mountain railway. But it can't. Its engine's wheels would slip. Oh, but it can. We've heard of one quite near here. But it can't. It can. Just then, Donald arrived, shunting a flat car. Well, it's not really a flat car, it's a rolling railway car, but come on, people, give me a break. We're on a budget here. On the truck was a small purple engine. It had 6 wheels, a stovepipe chimney, its boiler was slanted downwards, and its cylinders, instead of being at the front, were more towards the back. Oh, didn't work, the wee engine. He's tired, he is. He's just come back from being mended. We understand, Donald, but who is he? His name's Goldie. Named after the mountain his railway climbs. Well, would you look at that, Sir Handel? I don't believe it. Oh, ask him then. Then maybe then you'll see. Donald rode away, offended.